Namaste. I am Binay Kumar Shah, currently study mechanical engineering in Paschimachal campus, Pokhara, and working as a team leader of this new group. And today I am going to represent my project on a high payload quadcopter. Basically, high payload UAV quadcopter means unmanaged aerial vehicles, and also it is also a type of a drone that is characterized by its four rotors. These vehicles are widely used in various fields due to their versatility and maneuverability and simply design. And we can also see in the another slide about the component used in the UAVs, like component like spider base, spider arm, distribution board, battery, rotors, motors, electronic speed controller, electrical units, camera, propeller, etc. And we can also see in the another slide about the operation. In the operation, we can see the lift of stabilization control. In the lift off, the flight controller increases the speed of the rotor motors to generate enough lift to overcome the gravity. In the stabilization, flight controller uses a sensor data to maintain a stable flight, and it also adjusts motor speed to counteract any tilting or drifting. Control. Pilot use a remote control or ground station to input commands. The flight controller interprets this and also adjusts motor speed accordingly. And we can also see the another slide about the maneuvering and landing. And in the maneuvering section, we can see when we vary the speed of each motor, quadcopter can tilt and turn. For example, to move forward, the rear rotor motors speed up, tilting the quadcopter. To rotate, one pair of motors speed up while the other slow down. Landing. The pilot gradually reduces the motor speed, allowing for a controlled descent. And we can also see the features in the next slide. In the features, we can see the automatic stabilization system, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance system, working in a low visibility area, versatile thermal imaging camera, etc. And also we can see in the next slide about the design. And design consists of three components, like structure, propulsion, control. And we can see the description of this type of design. Quadcopter typically have a light weight frame made from material like carbon fiber or a plastic, which adds in flight efficiency. Propulsion uses of four rotors, provide lift and stability, allowing for vertical takeoff and landing. Control design allows for precise control, making suitable for various applications. And also we can see in the next slide about the functionality. We can also see in the functionality section about the flight mode. Quadcopter can operate in various mode, including GPS assisted navigation and manual control. In the sensor, we can see they used with mic gyroscopes, accelerometers, and GPS. Also, they maintain stability and navigate autonomously. And there we using a payload, carry different sensors and camera for tasks such as aerial photography, surveying, inspection, etc. And also we can see in the next slide about the material selection. Materials are chosen according to the weight and strength and weight ratio, durability, resistance to environmental factors. Common materials include carbon fiber for a lightweight frame and plastic for various components. And also we can see in the next section, next slide about the manufacturability. In this section, we can see the production methods include the 3D printing, CNC machining, allowing for efficient manufacturing and scalability. Quality control is also critical to ensure the reliability and performance, especially for commercial applications. And we can also see in the next slide about the scope and the application. Basically, quadcopters are used in a diverse field like agriculture, logistic, delivery drones, emergency response, entertainment, aerial photography, and the market of UAVs quadcopter is rapidly growing, driven by the advancements in the technology and increasing the regulatory supports. And also see we can see the application in the next slide. Applications in rescue operation. Uh, it covers a large area in search of person using a thermal imaging camera and infrared to detect body heat in challenging environment like disaster zone, disaster assessment af- after natural disasters such as earthquake or a flood. It can access damage and map affected area. Also, we can see the application in delivery of supply, live video streaming, environmental monitoring, communication relay, wildlife monitoring, coordination with the ground teams. These are those applications that we can application in the search and rescue operation. Also, we can see the AI driven features in the next slide. AI driven features like autonomous navigation. AI algorithm enables a quadcopter to navigate complex environment without human intervention using the techniques like SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping to create a map in real time, obstacle avoidance, computer vision, path optimization. And we can see in the next slide about its more features: automatic landing and takeoff, real time processing, swarm technology, enhanced user interface, predictive maintenance, machine learning. Also, we can see the different sensors that were very used in this UAV quadcopter, like infrared, GPS sensor, and we can also see in the next slide about the another sensors like accelerometers. Also, we can see the impact quadcopter, how does it impact the today world. Quadcopter enhance operational efficiency across industry, reduces the cost and provide innovative solution for monitoring and data collection. Also, they have the potential to transform a sector by enabling the real-time data acquisition and improve a decision making processes. Also, we can see the conclusion. UAV's quadcopter, it represents a significant advancement in drone technology, combining the ease of use, advanced functionality, broad applicability. As the technology evolved, their capability will continue to expand, leading to a even greater impact on a various industry. In the context of Nepal, we can use the technology like GPS system, thermal imaging camera, infrared sensor, obstacle avoidance systems, etc., and many more in the rescue and search operation, like such as landslide and floods, and many more. Finding any object or any person both in land and water. And this much is my presentation. And thank you so much, Club. I special thanks to so much Club and Krishna Prasad Dai for providing such a great platform or say competition to showcase our skill in and individuals. Also, thanks to my team for working so much hard for this. Thank you from Leo Group whole as a whole.